Shiba Inu, SHIB, can attract investors' attention because of signs of a possible rally. The token recently has had a surge in price, and many analysts expect growth in the near future. According to speculation, SHIB could make it to $0.0002 to $3 by this quarter. This prediction, however, comes as Bitcoin, BTC, rallies, and the broader market recovers, encouraging bullish sentiment from the cryptocurrency space. Shiba Inu price surge and market sentiment. Recently, SHIB has been increasing in price by close to 10%. And Bitcoin is trending positively in the wider cryptocurrency market, having traded over $102,000. As BTC's price rises, more traders are coming to altcoins like SHIB, which are also on a rise in interest. The last 24 hours saw a 9.49% spike in Shiba Inu's price to $0.0000 to 431 at press time. With the rest of the crypto market on the positive side and Shiba Inu's price momentum keeping pace, it seems the movement suits the general sentiment. The momentum can push the altcoin price very high, and analysts believe so. One of the reasons behind the interest in SHIB is that there has been increased whales activity or rising community support. While the market outlook stays bullish, investors are looking keenly at Shiba Inu to see if it could rise further. Factors supporting Shiba Inu's growth potential. Potential 10x rally for Shiba Inu should be due to several factors. The ongoing increase in token burns is one of the key drivers. While the burn rate might not be large enough yet to materially decrease the supply, these things help keep the price of SHIB up over time. It's also the rise of whale transactions that is another signal that bigger money is looking closer at Shiba Inu. As the crypto market rebounds following a rough summer, hope is building that it may soon draw interest in smaller tokens like SHIB. For many investors, this is an opportunity to make some serious short-term gains, meaning price could soar. Meanwhile, the impending 20th January inauguration of President-elect Donald Trump may even be a second catalyst for further market positive momentum. Price predictions and technical indicators for SHIB. Shiba Inu price may increase in the short term according to technical indicators. The Fibonacci 0.786 level is a crucial price point for the next potential rally, and SHIB is holding strong support there. The Shiba Inu commentators are closely monitoring this zone as a key zone to look at whether Shiba Inu will continue the bull run. Shiba Inu price predictions in the near future have targets of $0.0000 to 715, $0.00003083 and $0.00003511. SHIB may be ready for further gains, given the current market conditions, as long as it's able to fuel its momentum. These levels are being watched by investors, hoping that this may lead to a larger rally for the cryptocurrency in the months ahead.